Vanilla cupcakes. Craving some delicious vanilla cupcakes? Please enjoy this easy how-to recipe and make some yummy treats. List of ingredients: 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1/2 cup whole milk. Instructions: preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and line a cupcake tin with paper liners. In a medium bowl, whisk together flour, baking powder, and salt. In a large bowl, beat the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, then mix in the vanilla. Add half the flour mixture, then the milk, then the rest of the flour mixture. Mix until just combined. Divide the batter evenly among the cupcake liners and bake for 18 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let cool completely before frosting.